Okay.
Out of the whole lot of the money.
Yeah.
We agreed. Since that point, I've became 3 years after that. I don't know why they now, after they have agreed, they have amicably said, I don't know why they are now relating on our earlier agreement.
Because you did not insist that you put it in terms and file it in court.
My lord, my lord.
Okay, Saliman.
Yes, my lord. Although
he said that you people agreed on an amount, but since then you have done nothing.
My lord, that's not the position, my lord.
So according to him, settlement has broken down.
Yes, my lord. Yes, it has broken down. However,
Okay.
my lord, I want to call attention of my lord to one important point.
Okay.
At the last adjourned date,
yeah,
my lord directed that whatever we agreed on, we should go ahead and do it before today.
Yes.
So what the defendant did, because the issue between us is on promotion. He said he applied to be promoted at a certain time, and he was not promoted. So what the defendant did was to calculate the differential in his salary.
Yes.
Between the position he was vying for and the position he was.
Okay.
So they came up with 2-point-something million. I think there's a letter before my lord on this regard. They now said they gave him 5 million naira extra.
Okay, first of all, at the last adjourned date, what I said was that whatever you agree on,
yes,
you must not wait until we enter it as judgment. You can go ahead and start paying.
That is the point.
So have you paid that amount?
We have paid him. We have paid him. The evidence is even before my lord. So if the settlement has broken down.
Just a moment.
Okay.
So let me take you now.
Yes, my lord.
First of all, you said yes, settlement has broken down.
Yes, my lord. So based on
let's get the picture first. Do we put it is because you have arrived at a sum of so which you have paid, but he is still insisting that his money is more than that?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. This is because the defendant arrived at the sum of how much?
7 million.
7 million.
7,500,000. 7.5.
As
no
last processing value.
As what now?
As this differential in the salary and compensation. Compensation is 5 million.
Okay. Okay, let us say as the claimant's entitlement.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I can't get the exact amount, but there is a letter to that effect and proof of payment before my lord.
Which now do we say that which the defendant has already paid the claimant?
We have paid.
Okay.
So if the settlement is broken down, let him refund that money, then we proceed on trial. because my lord, I advise, my lord,
Wait first. Let me record you first now, Saliman.
Okay, my
this is the second time I'm coming across this, and it's from a different counsel. This is because the defendant arrived at. This is because the defendant arrived at the sum of 7.5 million as the claimant's entitlement. The defendants have already paid the claimant, but the claimant is saying what?
My lord, I'm sorry. That amount, I told my lord that I'm not sure about it, but they have written a letter to my lord attaching proof of payment.
has paid the defendant arrived at the sum of, let me say, about. He is here in court. He will confirm the exact amount.
Okay, my lord.
Except if he is saying you have not paid him anything, isn't it?
My lord, we have filed the proof of payment.
Yes, but the claimant is saying what?
So he said his entitlement is more than that.
Okay, but the claimant is insisting that his entitlement is more than that. So in that case,
my lord,
in that case, we ask that he refunds the amount paid to him so that the case can proceed to hearing. That is what you said, isn't it?
It is. Because
just
my lord,
a moment. Let me also look for this proof of payment that you said is in the court. You filed it when?
I think I don't know exactly, but I confirmed.
You have your own copy.
I have my own copy here. I was copied.
You have your own copy and you don't know exactly when you filed, or no, you didn't go with acknowledgement copy.
The letter is dated 24th November.
It's a letter?
It's a letter, 24th November, 2021.
And you filed the letter in court?
I think it was sent to my lord.
You are thinking, because it is not here. And you should be telling us what you know, not what you think.
My lord, I spoke.
Let me hear the claimant. Is it one claimant or plenty claimants? It's one claimant.
My lord, I spoke with Shola yesterday and he confirmed to me that they received that letter.
Call Shola for me. Okay, defendant, claimant counsel.
So, my lord, I've not made my point. Yes,
okay.
Because it was my lord that directed that I advised them to pay that money before today. And they have paid.
Yes.
So if settlement has broken down, let him refund that money. Then we go on trial.
I have recorded it now.
Yes, my lord.
I recorded. Let me read it. In that case, we ask that he refunds the amount paid to him so that the case can proceed to hearing. That's what I've recorded.
As accomplices.
So you have made your point. Shola?
As grateful.
Saliman said that he sent a letter and that you confirm the letter, and yet I can't see it. You see? You people will receive letter and keep it to yourself. The letter belongs to you. Okay, you kept it in the exhibit file. You people have sat over this case in my absence and admitted the letter as and you admitted the letter as okay. I have seen the letter.
No, I don't.
It's okay.
Okay. Okay. I've seen the letter. Olu, Olawi, yes, they have paid 7.2 million naira, according to this letter that they have. They are addressing it to court, not even to you. They address the court to a letter to the court, but they have attached evidence of payments and everything, and the breakdown. 2.2 is differential in salary due to promotion. 5 million as compensation. Then 1.5, I think that should be the legal fee that they. So why did you just simply say settlement have broken down without bringing this to the notice of the court? They have paid 7.2 million naira, and you just come to court and just say settlement has broken down. You say? So as you stand here, you are not aware of that payment? Okay. Don't worry, I'm not aware of the state payment because the defendant never notified me. Sorry, we didn't take the claimant. Is the claimant in court? Yeah? Okay. We will stand down for you to call him and confirm if he has received this payment. Hmm? Okay, no phone calls goes to Ilorin. So I say we will stand down for you to confirm from him because he said you are not aware. You have not been notified. Please confirm from him. You call him right in court. No, you will step out. 7,247,880.02. Just say 7.2 million, but it's 7,242,880 naira 2 kobo, including what I think should be your own fees, because they simply say 1,500,000 naira only to be paid to Yusuf lawyer, but negotiable. I simply assume the money they are paying to you is the fees you are to incur. Yes. He said they have paid now. That is what this man has paid now in. Oh God. No, that is what makes it up 7.2 million. You didn't hear, he said, because at the last adjourned date, I had advised that whatever they arrive at, they should pay, not until they come to court first. And so once he said, as soon as they arrive at this, they have paid. And I've told you that I can see even not just the letter, but this is the bank something. Aku Abdulaziz, isn't it? Yes. Paid on the 28th October 2021 at 4:12. 28th October 2021. But it's a letter that they just wrote informing the court. Yeah. But why are you insisting 60 million? Your claim is 10 million 3748. It's 10 million. The 15 million is general damages now. So when you are settling, do you insist on general damages when you are settling? So if they don't pay you the general damages in out of court settlement, you will come back to court to prove your general damages. You will come back to court to prove general damages. No problem. I said confirm from your client. Step out, confirm from your client if he has been paid 7.2 million. You understand? Then from there we take off from there. Saliman.
Yes, my lord.
We will just wait a little. He said if you have paid, his client has not told him. And actually, he said you didn't notify him, and I can see it. Your letter, you just wrote letter to the court.
My lord.
What is the essence of this letter to the court?
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord. My lord, I'm speaking from the bar. My lord know me. It was my client, it was his client that first of all called me about this money.
No, what I say is this: you wrote letter notifying the court of your payment instead of notifying. I didn't copy counsel. You didn't even copy counsel.
I'm sorry, my lord. They copied him and they copied me.
I have seen they didn't put CC. Is this thing? There is no CC on the letter. So the letter does not bear witness to the fact that counsel was copied. So you cannot just sit down there and say you copied it. Because the letter should say so.
I agree with my lord. I agree with my lord. But that's the position.
And next time, anyway, this letter was written by the university.
They didn't even tell me when they wrote it.
Tell them you don't address letter to the court. You address letter to the registrar of the court.
I'm sorry. I've told them.
Okay.
Even if they are going to
didn't address it to the registrar, they just address it to National Industrial Court at Registrar Division. Dear sir, how many sirs you don't want to address the letter?
Told them. Even
Tell
if they
them
want
to
to
address to the registrar.
Of course.
You understand?
They're supposed to even do it through me. But what they told me was that.
Look at the start document attached to the letter. You have it there?
The attachment?
Yes.
I don't have the attachment, my lord.
The last document?
I don't have that proof of payment.
And you are the one, okay. Beneficiary bank. Beneficiary bank account. Okay, FCMB. I have seen it. It's FCMB. It's the bank I was looking for. I didn't see. It's FCMB. Yes. What have you confirmed from your client? Yes. That what? And you see, this was in This was since October 28th, and we are in November. We are in December.
It will enter.
Yeah. Okay, so I think in the circumstance, we will give you a date to sort it out with your client. You will get to know his opinion, whether he is satisfied with it as full and final settlement, or he wants to pursue the remainder, isn't it? You understand? Because the claim was how many? About 10 million. They have paid 7 million.
My lord.
Eh? Yes, that is what it is. That is what is called settlement now. In settlement, if they are simply giving you what you have asked for, they will simply concede to your head. That is not settlement. They simply concede. But when they say let's settle, it means something must fall on the ground. Don't worry, you have said so. You have to discuss with your client now. This one that he received money since October, and this is December, he has not even told you, including your own fees that he received. He has not even told you anything. You have to settle with him first. If he is, because it would appear he has already accepted it as full and final settlement, or else he would have called you to complain. He has not called you to complain since then, did he? To complain that they paid him only 7 instead of 10, instead of 16? Oh. So, but you agree that there are things you need to settle with him first before we proceed. That is just all.
My lord, okay. My lord.
Let me record him that I confirm from my client that he was paid 7.2 million. Okay, so what do you want?
My lord.
Wait first now, Sullivan. So what do you want? Okay. We ask for a date for what? Final report. Final report. Final report. Sullivan.
Yes, my lord.
He said he has just confirmed from his client that he paid that 7.2 million actually. But before today, he has not known. So he's asking for a date for final report.
If it is final report, we have no problem. Yes. But if you are going for trial, we have to refund our money first.
No objection. Okay. Give us a date.
But if we are going for trial, he has to refund our money first.
Please tell your client that this is what they say. That if it is not good for him, then he should refund them their money first. Then we go on trial. That is what the defendant said. But it should appear like you have accepted it as final settlement. It appears he has accepted it. Then he should have told you. Why didn't he tell you they paid me this amount instead of this? Why now? Did you agree with them? Give me Okay, by whom? Case adjourned to 8 February 2021 for final report of settlement. (2022) because that will mean because before we reach 2021 again, I don't know. Before I reach 2021, before we go reach there again, it cannot be this our generation again. All right, case adjourned to 8 February 2022 for final report of settlement. Thank you. Call the next matter for Zoom.
But my lord, what the date?
Hey, 8 February 2022. Final report of settlement.
Grateful, my lord.
Thank you. Yes, this one, Dauda Jamu and others versus Malam Abdurrazak Abdurrahman and others. Appearances.
With profound respect, Your Lordship, I remain A. Bello, sir.
A. Bello.
My humble appearance is for all the claimants, sir.
A. Bello, are you not Ministry of Justice?
Sir?
Okay, Ministry of Justice is A.M. Bello.
Yes,
it's A.M. Bello.
The one in Ministry of Justice is A.M. Bello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A.M.
Yes,
Bello, my
You
lord.
are A. Bello.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, for defendants.
With utmost respect to my noble lord.
Yes.
With utmost respect to my noble lord.
Yes.
I have SMH Koshemani.
SMH.
MH Koshemani.
Yes.
My lord, I'm Assistant Chief State Counsel.
Assistant
Chief State Counsel.
Is it Chief State Counsel or Assistant?
Chief State Counsel.
Okay. Ministry of Justice.
I appear with Kwara State. I appear with S.I. Temem.
Chief State Counsel, where now?
Ilori Kwara State.
Okay. With
I appear with S.I. Temem.
S.I.
S.I. Temem. Temem. T-E-M-I-M.
Okay.
Where is he? Defendant, sir.
Where is he?
He's beside me, sir.
I'm beside him, sir.
It's because I'm using my phone.
Okay. His designation?
State Council 1, sir.
State
Council 1.
Okay.
State Council 1.
Okay.
SC1.
MOJ. Kwara State. For the defendant.
For all the defendants, my lord.
Yes. Bello?
With utmost respect, sir.
Yes.
Ordinarily, the matter is slated for hearing this morning.
Okay.
However, sir.
Yes.
You are not be able to proceed to hearing.
Okay.
in compliance with the directive and advice given by your lordship at the last sitting.
Okay.
That we should explore settlements out of the court.
Okay.
In doing that, sir,
Yes.
ordinarily the settlement ought to have emanated from the defendant, but out of the magnanimity that we have for the state. Hello, sir?
Yes.
And due to the mutual relationship between the council,
Yes.
we wrote a letter to the defendant.
Yeah.
That we are interested in settling the matter out of the court.
Yeah.
And upon receipt of that letter,
Yes.
they invited us and we start deliberating on the way out, sir.
Yes.
In order not to waste the precious time of the court,
Yeah.
the settlement bid is still in progress, sir.
Okay.
So
settlement is still in progress.
It's still in progress, sir.
So you see, if I was recording that we were the one that when I first started this and this and this, as it gave me the impression that the defendants didn't do anything. Only at the end.
Accomplices, sir. Accomplices.
Settlement is still in progress. Simple. Okay.
It's still in progress.
Okay. So you answer another day.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Thank you.
The council to defendant is here to confirm. Is here to confirm the position of what I've just informed the court, sir.
Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Kosemani. Kosemani.
Yes, I'm here, my lord, sir.
Yes.
That is the true position.
Is in progress. Okay.
Yes, settlement is still in progress, sir.
Please settle, please.
Thank you, sir.
We are the one that organized the meeting, giving them the forum for the meeting and atmosphere.
Okay.
So if you are not inclined to settle, if you get a level, you will not organize a meeting. So we also took part in that settlement, sir.
He was there. He was there. Yeah. Case adjourned to 8 February 2022 for further report of settlement.
Accomplices. You are indeed very grateful, sir.
Try and fully settle before then.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We are very grateful.
We are grateful, my lord, for the indulgence, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And that is all for today's Zoom, right? Okay. So we will all leave the Zoom.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
What's not happening with this thing? It's not happening. So if you come enter to this one, the proceeding will stop.
Well, it did not enter.
So it is it's not working. Okay.
Connection in new panel
is not connected.
Connection.
I'm not saying that. No, yeah, we don't listen for now. Join what project. Yeah, that's collected. That's collected now. Log that from this one. You can't tell him. Still see it. But most everything. But most everything. So we can't hear you again. At least it has collected now. You can see that at least it gets next time. Okay. Send us another one. Are you coming to? Mo pè wọ́n lánàá so I told him wípé bye. Wọ́n á bèèrè náà ní mọ́níyà. Sọ̀bùtà ni pé àṣà bàbá tí mo pè wọ́n so kó mọ̀ di pé wọ́n mọ̀ pé àwọn wà ní dátà lọ sí àṣẹ wọn ní pé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá fún wọn ní àṣà lọ́dọ̀ kásá ìjọba yà mọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀.